Okay, in this video, we're going to solve this problem right here, and so let's begin. So first, before I take the derivative, I'm just going to rewrite this. I'm going to say we have e raised to x, close parentheses, raised to 1/2. This form equivalent, plus e raised to x raised to 1/2. Now this right here, if we clean it up a little bit, e raised to x, close parentheses, raised to 1/2 is the same as e raised to 1/2 x plus this piece, so e raised to x raised to 1/2. Okay, so now we're going to take the derivative of this piece, and we'll take the derivative of this piece. So the derivative of e raised to x is just e raised to x. So we'll keep what we have. We'll have e raised to 1/2 x. Then we're going to take the derivative of 1/2 x. So I'm going to say times d parentheses 1/2 x, close parentheses. Plus, we do the same thing for this piece. So e raised to x raised to 1/2 times, we take the derivative of this piece. So d parentheses x raised to 1/2, close parentheses. Okay, so now we just need to solve this. So we get e raised to 1/2 x times the derivative of 1/2 x is just 1/2 plus e raised to x raised to 1/2. And the derivative of x raised to 1/2 is going to give us 1/2 x raised to negative 1/2. And because we're multiplying by 1/2, you could say we have division 2 and e raised to 1/2 x. We said it earlier that it's the same as the square root of e raised to x. So you can write it in this form, or you could write it in this form or this form. So I'm going to rewrite it as the original form. So the square root of e raised to x plus, now we got to do this piece. Same thing, we're dividing by 2. And this piece right here is the same as e raised to the square root of x. And then this piece is x raised to negative 1/2. That's the same as we could divide by the square root of x. So this right here is our final answer, and that's all we need to do for this problem.